Our love story begins here. Way back 2014.
When I first saw you,
Sa Jollibee, naging bida ang saya.
I saw
Lugar kung saan ko nakilala yung matatawag kong lifetime happiness.
you touched me. I felt love
We're both working student that time.
this time.
Jollibee SM Downtown Olongapo.
You're still the
Lugar kung saan ko nakilala yung tao mamahalin ako ng buong buo.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
I already found someone who can love me at my worst. Someone who I can lean on in good times and bad times.
They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at
Jollibee has a big part in our love story. Kung hindi dahil sa Jollibee, hindi tayo magkakakilala. Hindi magtatagpo ang mga landas natin.
You're still the one I run.
Working student is life. We both push ourselves para makapagtapos tayo ng pag-aaral at gawing inspirasyon ang isa't isa.
At ngayon, now we're both professional working in a different company. Kahit pagod ka, lagi mo ako sinusundo sa work. Kapag day off mo, pinupuntahan mo pa rin ako at nag-e-effort na makita ako.
Ain't nothing better.
Ikaw yung tipo ng lalaki na hindi napapagod maghintay.
I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what
Sa tagal na pinagsamahan natin, mas nakilala pa kita ng luhusan. Napaka mapagmahal mong tao. Ikaw yung tipo na nagmamahal ng sobra-sobra. Yung hindi na iniisip yung sariling pagod, mapasaya lang yung taong mahal mo. Hindi ka nagbago, mas nag-effort ka pa habang tumatagal.
you're still the one I
Bakit ganun mo ko kamahal? Bakit ganun mo ko alagaan? Bakit ganun ka mag-effort?
Kasi mahal na mahal kita. Masaya kong makita kang masaya at seryoso ako sa'yo. Ikaw ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay.
the only one I dream.
From being a working student, school plus work plus love life plus family responsibility. Mahirap, nakaka-stress, pero nakaya natin malagpasan lahat ng sabay, ng magkasama, walang bumitaw.
Ginawa nating inspirasyon ang bawat isa, kaya nakaya natin.
You're still the one I run to. The one that I'll be.
Walang bibitaw hanggang dulo.
Magkasama nating haharapin ang mga pagsubok kahit gaano pa kahirap. Patience is the key because when the right time comes, it will be very beautiful and totally worth the wait.
Find a heart that will love you at your worst and arms that will hold your weakest.
I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Thank you, Jollibee. I already found her.
Thank you, Jollibee. Nakita ko na yung tao para sa akin.
If I had to live my life without you,
Sana mahanap ko na yung the one.
the days would
Sana si Syra na yun.
Sana si Oliver na yun. Sana ikasal ako.
Tayo.
Sana ikasal tayo.
girl so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong.
When is the right time to get married?
Tingin ko walang right timing. Nasa tamang tao yan. Ikaw sa tingin mo.
Ako, pagsigurado na. Yung tipong kahit araw-araw hindi masaya, siguradong pipiliin ko pa rin.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you
So, is this the right time and the right person?
Oo, ito na yun. Si Syra na.
Si Oliver na. Ito na yun.
Wala na akong mahihiling pa.
One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The one
Sigurado ka?
Oo naman, siguradong sigurado ako sa tanong ko. Gusto mo ulitin ko? Will you marry me?
Yes!
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You are